Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I'm here to tell you that not all jumper cables are made the same. These ones are from TOPDC, and everyone who has had to use them so far has asked about them because they are so impressive. Now, what makes these unique is, first of all, they are 25 feet long. This means there's no more readjusting your vehicles in awkward positions to try and have your cables reach. This will reach so easily, really long range. They work awesome even in cold weather. They didn't get stiff. This one is 1 gauge, which means you can boost a large truck with no issues at all. It has some other really great features. The grip is awesome. They're also labeled, so this is foolproof. You can see that it has the positive and negative, and they're numbered 1 to 4, so you know exactly the order to put them on. It comes in a handy carrying case, so you can keep it in your vehicle to be prepared at all times. Of course, it does the job. It helps to boost your car. That's exactly what it's made for. It also comes with a post cleaner, so that's a nice added bonus. These are truly heavy-duty booster cables. They have saved us from a dead battery more than once. I think you will be really happy with them, and that's my point of view.